calling all nurses, therapists, CNAs, and caregivers. You give so much of yourself every single day, holding space for others, absorbing their pain, their emotions, their needs. But I have a question for you. Who's taking care of you? You show up tired, yet still give with an open heart. You feel the heaviness, but push through with strength and grace. So I'm calling all the nurses, therapists, CNAs, and caregivers who tirelessly give their hearts and energy. This message is for you. Every day you pour your strength into caring for others, often at the expense of your own well-being. I honor your compassion and recognize that while you heal bodies, your own energy deserves nurturing too. In the midst of long shifts, emotional fatigue, and constant responsibility, you might feel drained, overwhelmed, or even disconnected from your inner light. These are the signs of weakness, but signals from your body and spirit calling for care. Imagine a moment of pause where you can bathe in warm, healing energy, a space where the weight of your day is gently lifted and your spirit is replenished. I call it a massage for your soul. Have you felt that surge of fatigue after a long day of caring for others? Do you sense that the energy you give sometimes leaves you feeling empty? Are you looking for ways to rebalance and revitalize your own spirit while continuing to be the beacon of light for those in need? They are a call for collective healing and self-care. You deserve moments of rejuvenation just as much as those you care for. If you're ready to reconnect with your inner energy and replenish your spirit, I invite you to join a dedicated Reiki healing session designed specifically for health workers like you. Let's create a space for healing, sharing, and renewal together. Share your story in the comments or book your session today, and let's embark on a journey of energetic rejuvenation and mutual support. Remember, as you continue to care for the world, it's essential to care for yourself. You are valued, you are powerful, and your healing journey matters. My name is Jenny Umali. I am sending you love, light, healing, and abundance. See you in the inside.